My name is Logan Bell. I'm a senior at Anamosa. I hunt and fish. And a break from high school, it's free college classes and credits, and I just live right down the road, so figured why not just check it out. I like it. I took the ACE Academy last year because I grew up doing construction and figured it'd be, easy credit, I guess. And yeah, I liked it. It was fun.
We noticed very quickly in Logan's time here last year during the ACE Academy that he was very engaged, that he enjoyed the coursework, and that he had a lot of skill. And he could cook a mean breakfast. A collaboration between the Jones County Regional Center and Jones County Economic Development, kind of led by Lisa Fulkin, led to us bringing in some of our industry partners here locally from Jones County. And the goal for that was to kind of prep our students and talk to them about, when you meet with a prospective employer, what should that look like? And then bringing in those employers to our building and setting up 10-minute face-to-face, one-on-one conversation. As a result of that, Logan here got to meet with the folks from Orbis, Josh Reese, and they hit it off. Josh reached out to me later after that event and just said, "Hey, what do you think about Logan?" And I gave Logan really my highest recommendation, just because of my experience with him here. And they set up a tour and an interview. And what was great is Logan actually turned 18 in May. And so immediately upon turning 18, he was able to go to work for them over the summer. And that's just turned into a really incredible relationship.
They were just like, they just need summer help and nothing too crazy, and the pay was okay. And he said, Josh Reese said, I'm looking for someone who's young, smart, and can, work on their own and is a quick learner. I have a maintenance job that just opened, and that's, I work on machines all the time. So I talked to him for 5 minutes, and then a few days later I got a phone call from him, and I took a tour there. Liked it, treated me well. So I said, yeah, I'll come work for you. And then they sent me all my uniforms, and they bought me my tools and stuff to work there, and only about 10 minutes from my house. I was making around mid-20s. It was 24 I started out, and I think they bumped me up a little bit, closer to 30, I think, towards the end, a little bit. So making pretty good money out there. And they offered possibly in the future, if I wanted to stick with the company, that they would possibly send me to Kirkwood for schooling, and they pay for it if I were to work out with the company. So it's a pretty good gig. Right now I am in fundamentals of oral communication, intro to psych, environmental science, and I got another online Kirkwood class I'm taking next semester. But those are all online Kirkwood classes. They're pretty easy. I mean, usually you get a week to work on stuff from Monday morning to Sunday night of that week, and it's only a couple things I got to do for each class, so it's not terrible, and it's free. College credits, it'll help me out. I prefer hands-on classes, but I do like taking the online classes, especially it's helped me how to read and write a little bit better, with especially writing emails. In one of my environmental science, the first thing we had to do was email etiquette, and I could not write an email. But after only about a month and a half, I think I got better at it, so it's all helped me out.
Just kind of like with this experience prior to the meet and greet, I went in there several times and just talked to students about, hey, how do you shake a hand? How do you look people in the eye? And how do you represent what you've done? And really working on those skills so that these guys are all skilled. They all have gifts and abilities, and we just want them to put their best foot forward when they're in those situations. We know that some jobs, they may really, really want, and they really want to, again, put that best foot forward. Yeah, we like helping them with those skills. We like matching them up with employers, giving them those opportunities. And ultimately, we really like their first sort of full-time sort of career experience to be here in Jones County. Obviously, Logan's been a terrific example of all that. He's checked all the boxes, but he's a guy who wants to work. He's a guy who's very interested in learning new skills and looking for opportunities. And so Logan's been a great guy to work with.
Take every class you can, especially like fundamentals or communication. It helps with your people talking skills. And I'm not saying I have it naturally, but growing up doing construction, I would always have to talk with a lot of people about doing stuff. So during that meet and greet, it was, easy to talk to and shake his hand and look him in the eyes. And Josh Reese noticed that. Like, most kids were just like, I want a job. And then I actually, talked to him and asked about it. But best thing you can do is like take as many classes as you can, try and, the simple stuff, like Greg said, handshake, look him in the eye. Before he even knew or saw my skills, he liked me from the get-go because I could talk to him. Like, it wasn't even an interview, like it was a normal conversation. Like he's like, talking to you made me feel like I'm talking to a buddy I've had since my childhood. And then he saw my skills and he's like, all right, well, would you like to come on? And I said yes. And so it's just anything, if you can learn a new thing a day, I guess try and do that. So industrial maintenance, that is the backup plan. I'm not 100% on doing industrial maintenance. My plan is to go to power line school, but if that doesn't work out, I plan to go do industrial maintenance online so I wouldn't have to pay if I do go there to take those classes. I liked it how Kirkwood, they have a lot of scholarships. It's easy to get scholarships at Kirkwood too.